Hello folks. Well, you know, I recently watched Elon Musk's SpaceX booster rockets return and land right where they took off, and I was really impressed. I mean, it was amazing. You know, all the old science fiction movies always showed the rockets landing that way on the moon and other planets, but it really hasn't been done by NASA. But SpaceX pulled it off, and many times so far. Well, many of you have seen me put rocket motors on different machines, and I fly them, and I thought, hey, I bet I could land my rocket too without having to chase it down when it floats away with a parachute, which is normally what happens. Maybe Estes would now design something like this in the future. It would be kind of fun. So here's how I did it, and let's see what happens.
Okay, this is the rocket that I've designed, a quadcopter rocket, and I am sliding it down onto the launch rod, onto the firing pad right here, and these will connect up to the fuse. And the way it's going to work, hopefully, will be we launch the rocket, it will take off. When it gets airborne, I have put hinges on the motors here so I can bring this thing back to Earth just like Elon Musk, and show you how this looks, what will happen. And I have a voltmeter connected right now up to show you how this works. These two connections right here will connect to the fuse, which will be in the rocket right here, and that's the rocket motor. So that's will sit on top of that. I'll turn this on. Now when I push the switch, there's my 9 volts, and that will fire the fuse and light the rocket motor, which is right here. So that's basically the entire setup, and I can't wait to give it a try.
Three, two, one, fire. Yes, sir. Yes, well, if it sounds stupid, but it works, it ain't stupid. That was fun. Well, thanks for watching me experiment, folks. Please stay tuned for more rocket quad experiments now that I've proven my theory, and who knows, this might actually work on Mars with the low gravity and light air. So what do you think, Elon?